Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am, and without delaying our time I will start our literature part, and I will start your literature part with your living English. Okay, so this is a chapter 1, a work of art. You can see the chapter 1, and I will start the section A, right? Section 1, not A, section 1. The chapter is Finding My Way. Okay, so I will start your first section of first chapter, Finding My Way. See, Gond art. What is Gond art? This is the art which is coming from the folks or the tribals of the Indian society. Okay, so Gond art is a form of tribal painting common in central India, and this is specially you can see in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so and it was made popular by Jangar Singh. Jangar's nephew Venkat Raman Singh Sham is also a famous Gond artist. In this extract from his autobiography, this Venkat Raman Singh Sham, his autobiography, Finding My Way, co-written with S. Anand. Okay, Venkat Sham talks about his early influences. Venkat Shams, he is telling about his own childhood life, autobiography, childhood life, and it is co-written with S. Anand. Okay, see, so I will start the lines of the chapter. See, I did not learn from school and books. He is telling about Venkat Sham is telling about him that he didn't learn from school and books. I fished in the river Halon. Halon is a river, is a river's name. Okay. He all the time he fished in the river Halon, stole corn cobs. Corn cobs means, corn means you know, corn cobs, bhutta, dana, right? He stole corn cobs, learned to plug. Plug means you know, langol tana jetake bola hai. I hope you can understand. And some kind of meaning I am telling in Bengali because for those poor students who is little bit poor in English. Okay, so that is why. See, so stole corn cobs, learn to plug. Here the bana is written here. See, a 3-string violin. Okay, this is a instrument, bana. So how he explained his childhood, he is telling, fishing brings back memories of a story my grandfather Parsadi Lal Wike, who bestowed on me means gave me. My long-winded name told me. Okay, fishing brings back him his so many memories of a story of his grandfather. A dhobi who does his washing in the river, a dhobi who was washing clothes in the river, also feeds the fish every day. Okay, one day a fish which seeks to repay his gratitude tells him about the imminent means about to happen soon, tells him about the imminent end of the world. The man wonders how he can save himself and his loved ones, his sister and a rooster. Rooster means a cock, a fowl cock means Posha Morog. I hope you understood, right? The fish suggests that he get into a wooden box which it would ferry to safety. The fish suggests that he had get into a wooden box, and he would packed into a wooden box and which he would ferry to safety. After the this is written in the meaning box. See, complete destruction, the end. Apocalypse means a complete destruction, the end. Okay, after the apocalypse, when God searches for life on earth, he finds the dhobi, his sister, the fish and rooster, and the world is remained. Okay, so this is one story he told. And after the destruction of the world, when God searches for life on earth, God only finds how many? The dhobi, his sister, the fish, and the roaster. And the world is remade. Now the world is remade afterward. Okay. See the next. It was a child that I had my first encounter with Kabir. Who is Kabir? It is written here, a famous poet in 15th century India. Okay, so whenever his childhood time, he had made his first encounter with the Kabir. His simple language was rather similar to the Gondi Hindi mix. Okay, he is telling about his simple language we spoke and the karma songs we sang. Okay, whatever he used the simple language, Gondi Hindi mix. Okay, we spoke, and which song? Karma songs we sang. Okay, both of them did it. On winter mornings, a well attired Vasudeva would pass through our village. See, Vasudeva here, a travelling singer dressed as Lord Krishna. Okay, Vasudeva means here a travelling singer who was dressed in as Lord Krishna. Okay, so one winter morning, what happened? A well attired Vasudeva would pass through our village. He was passing through their village, a picture of grace, dignity, and peace. He held a 3-stringed tambura in one hand, and it was a picture of grace, dignity, and peace. They got their peaceful life. Okay, he held a 3-stringed tambura. Tambura means it's a musical instrument. Tanpura, I think. Okay, so you can see the picture. Okay, you can see the picture, and before it also you can see the picture whatever story he told about his childhood. Okay, so see, so yeah, in one hand he hold the 3-string tanpura, and the cymbals in other hand. Cymbal means just 2 pieces, like thin 2 pieces, khonjoni jetake boli amra. Okay, cymbals in other hand, and a haunting song on his lips. Haunting song, see, a song so beautiful that it cannot be forgotten. Okay, you can't forget that song, that music. Okay, though I did not understand much, he was not understanding anything else. I was mesmerized by the music. Okay, he was engaged to understand all the music and words, just like I was entranced by the palash flowers. Palash full, very well. Just like he was entranced by the palash flowers that flaunted their beauty along the Halon river. Flaunted means spreading out. Okay, and flaunted their beauty along the Halon river. Okay, means the sweetness of that music is spreading all over the river. Okay, which was strewn with massive rocks, perhaps the debris of some prehistoric volcanic ash. Debris means the pieces. Okay, and it was like telling the prehistoric volcanic ash. Okay, this is just volcanic means you can understand Agneogiri, right? Agneogiri, right, and prehistoric. So it was telling about the prehistory of that portion of that rocks, of those rocks, and debris of some debris means some pieces of. Okay, so there was also the reticent but resolute kahua tree. See, reticent but resolute, shy but determined. Okay, it is a meaning, shy but determined. There was also reticent but resolute kahua tree. It is a tree's name, hiding its color in its buttressed trunk. It is also written with large roots on all sides. Okay, which large roots on all sides. Okay, so it is just hiding its color. Lucono. hiding its color in its buttressed trunk. Only when scrapped did it yield blood-red sap that could be used as dye. Okay, blood-red sap is also this a tree. Okay, and it is used to fulfill, just like as a dye means a color. Okay, changing of the colorness. Okay, these are all told about the trees and the appearance of that place and moment what was going on that time. Okay, so go to the next page and see there is also the pictures and all. I began drawing on walls, paper, floors, and on whatever surface I could find as a child. Whenever he was child, in his childhood, he just began to draw on walls, paper, floors, whatever surface. Okay, he could find as a child, means whenever he could find anything else like paper, any walls, any floor, he just started drawing. Okay, I would look at newspapers and draw film stars, and whenever he saw the newspapers, he started to draw the film stars. Okay, I used charcoal. This was considered inauspicious, and this was considered this inauspicious work. Okay, my folks believed writing in black increased tips. Now he is telling about his folks. Believed writing in black increased tips. As you can see, I have come to owe a huge debt to black. I drew as realistically as I could. Okay, whatever realistic part he can put in his art, he tried. I was influenced and inspired by a set of pencil drawings I found in a trunk. He just influenced and he just inspired by what? By your drawing of set of pencil drawing, whichever he saw in a trunk. My mother, Himalaya Bai, it is his mother's name. My mother, Himalaya Bai, told me they were by Uncle Jawahar. Okay, his uncle. She told that this drawing is made by his uncle Jawahar, her brother. Okay, means her means his mother's brother. Okay, uncle uncle died at the age of 25. I would never meet him. Okay, he couldn't meet his uncle as he died only on 25 years old whenever. Okay, but people think, and I believe it is a thinking of people, and he also believed that I am his reincarnation. Reincarnation means the rebirth of a soul in other body. Okay, so he is thinking that he is his reincarnation, পুনর্জন্ম যেটাকে বলা হয়. Okay, I am fulfilling his life, and he is fulfilling life. I am completing what he was expected to achieve. Okay, and Jawaharlal Yuki drew everyday objects and senses with a touching realism. Each and every day started to draw the everyday objects and scenes with a touching realism. It is also written as a touching realism, so lifelike that it touches your heart. Okay, so scenes with a touching realism. I looked for these drawings on a visit to Sijora many years ago. Whenever he visited Sijora, he looked all these drawings, but mother told me they had been lost or destroyed when they pulled down our old house to build a new one. But his mother told that every drawings it was lost. So many drawings it was lost or destroyed when they pulled down our old house to build a new one. Okay, whenever they made the new one, there were so many drawings which were lost or destroyed. Okay, so I would keep till here one. Okay, so wait for the next video, and till then try to understand the all meanings of the chapter. Okay, try to understand. If there will be any problem to understand, you can ask me in comment box. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.